We get final names for the Huawei P lineup and the price tags, which are kind of crazy. We also get leaks of an Oppo phone with a record-breaking display and also a notch. And it seems that HTC is trying to come back into the game, sort of. I'm Jaime Rivera, and this face you see here is that of a guy that just got off a plane after a 10-hour flight, but has to get you the news. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with product launches. For those of you that have been waiting pretty much more than enough for the LTE variant of the Microsoft Surface Pro, it is now available for $14.99, and you're getting a 256GB solid-state drive, 8 gigs of RAM. We're talking about a Core i5 and obviously LTE capabilities. I don't know exactly why Microsoft took this long, but yeah, the product is out there, right when the Snapdragon always connected computers are coming. Now let's talk about the next generation Huawei Watch, as, well, we were expecting to see a product announcement with the P series in Paris, but it turns out that Richard Yu just confirmed that there won't be a smartwatch, not now. He didn't confirm exactly when, and according to him, it's because they're in no rush. And I still love my Huawei Watch Classic. I just can't wait to see a refresh whenever Google figures that part out. Now let's talk about Oppo, as the company continues to bring innovation to its main market of China, and we've been covering a ton of their phones, mainly because I love their FC Barcelona variants. But anyways, we hear that the company plans to innovate when it comes to display. It seems that we might be getting an Oppo R15. Yeah, I think we're already by R15. We are. The main difference here is that we have a 90% screen-to-body ratio, which, according to the source, is going to be something groundbreaking and record-breaking, which is odd because that Asus Zenfone 5Z pretty much has the same screen-to-body ratio, at least in claim. I don't think that's really the case, but anyways, it's also got some really great specifications. You can learn more in the description. When are we getting this phone is the question, and why are we also getting a notch? Like, really? And for those of you that have been waiting to see what's going to happen to HTC in the near future, we didn't really see anything in MWC, but we've got some sources claiming that there will be an HTC U12. We can expect the top-of-the-line specification, Snapdragon 845, 6GB of RAM, in addition to a phone that starts at 128 gigs of storage, options for 256, dual SIM options as well. We also hear of a Desire variant out there. When are we getting a phone is the question. We'll see. And finally, the most interesting news today has to do with the Huawei P series, the P20, P20 Lite, P20 Pro. Yes, Pro is apparently going to be the final name according to a British carrier. Most important, we have price tags. Somewhere around 600 something euro for the regular P20. Then we hear that the Pro is going to cost a crazy 899 euros, and then the Lite is going to be costing a crazy 369 euros. Huge contrasts in price tag. We're not exactly sure what the differences will be between each of these phones. For me, the most shocking part is the price. I mean, Huawei hasn't always been famous for hefty price tags, Mate 10 Pro being the exception. So in today's question, let us know, do you think that the company is overdoing the prices, or do you want to wait and see what we get for that to help you define if it's worth the price or not? Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch, well, the last Pocketnow Daily down here and our full playlist of MWC 2018 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.